Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can change phone number on Exness. So basically, these steps are going to be the same for the mobile applications and the website versions right here. The first thing that you can go ahead and do is to simply navigate through the website or application. Then from here, you then want to simply click on the settings at the side of your screen. Now you will be able to see this on your mobile devices at the top right corner of your screen. So just click on the gear icon, click on security, and simply inside this page, you then want to look for the 2-steps verification. Click on the change button, and then we can see our phone right here, which is our original phone number. Now to add another one or to change it, you then want to click on the add the new phone number button, click on next, enter your phone number, and from there you then want to verify the phone number by entering the one-time password sent to you by Exness itself. And so from there, you've successfully changed your phone number on Exness. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.